The best CarPlay AI boxes with touchscreen support transform your dashboard with smoother navigation, smarter apps, hands-free control, and enhanced driving convenience. My today's video is about top 5 best CarPlay AI boxes with touchscreen support that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AutoCast P3 Pro AI Box. The P3 Pro CarPlay AI Box is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want to transform their factory wired CarPlay system into a smarter, cable-free infotainment experience. Its automatic wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connection eliminates the hassle of plugging in your phone, while the built-in AI voice assistant makes navigation, calls, messaging, and music control safer through hands-free operation. CloudCard 3.0 keeps the device connected without requiring a physical SIM or phone hotspot, ensuring reliable access to navigation and online features. Running on Android 13 with AutoDrive 3.0, the interface feels smooth, responsive, and easy to customize with widgets and multiple language support. The split-screen feature allows navigation and entertainment apps to run simultaneously, making long drives and daily commutes more convenient. Expandable micro SD storage provides extra room for offline maps, music, and apps. Compatible with over 600 factory-wired CarPlay vehicles, the P3 Pro offers an effortless, feature-rich upgrade without modifying your car. Now our second product is a Tata Select 4G LTE Magic AI Box. The CB6 CarPlay AI Box stands out as a premium upgrade for compatible factory wired CarPlay or Android Auto vehicles, delivering a truly independent smart driving experience. Unlike standard adapters, it features its own 4G LTE connectivity and dedicated GPS module, allowing navigation, streaming, and apps to run without relying on your smartphone or draining its battery. Powered by an 8-core processor and Android 13, the system offers fast performance, responsive multitasking, and smooth media playback. Its AI assistant, driven by advanced language models, acts as a helpful co-pilot for navigation, entertainment, and everyday driving tasks through natural voice interaction. The included Bluetooth OBDI scanner adds exceptional value by providing real-time vehicle diagnostics and maintenance alerts. OTA updates continuously improve performance, while the included Y-cable ensures stable operation even in vehicles with automatic start/stop systems. An innovative automatic privacy screen locks your personal data whenever your phone leaves the vehicle, making the CB6 a secure, intelligent, and feature-packed in-car entertainment solution. Our third product is Myatoto Magic CarPlay Box. The Myatoto Magic Box CB4B is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want to unlock the full potential of their factory wired CarPlay or Android Auto system. Its 3-in-1 design seamlessly converts wired connections into wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, eliminating cable clutter while providing a faster, more convenient driving experience. With 4 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, and expandable TF card support, it doubles as an in-car entertainment center capable of streaming built-in video apps or playing offline media. The plug-and-play setup takes only seconds, making installation simple without additional software. The integrated AI voice assistant offers intelligent hands-free control for navigation, music, and everyday tasks, helping drivers stay focused on the road. Dual-band Wi-Fi support allows wireless smartphone connectivity while simultaneously using your vehicle's built-in hotspot for uninterrupted streaming and navigation. Designed for compatible factory wired systems, the CB4B delivers smooth performance, reliable connectivity, and impressive entertainment features, making every commute or road trip more enjoyable and connected. Now number 4, XPIV CarPlay Magic AI Box. This CarPlay Magic AI Box is a premium upgrade for drivers seeking a smarter, more versatile infotainment experience without replacing their factory system. Compatible with both OEM wired and selected wireless CarPlay vehicles, including many luxury brands, it installs in about 30 seconds with true plug-and-play simplicity. The built-in 3.2-inch touchscreen adds convenient access to apps, settings, and media while complementing your factory display. Powered by Android 14 and a Qualcomm octa-core processor, it delivers fast, responsive performance for navigation, music, streaming, and multitasking. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto provide seamless access to calls, messages, maps, and voice assistants without cable clutter. Support for 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM cards, SD cards, and USB-C expansion ensures reliable connectivity and plenty of storage flexibility. Best of all, it preserves essential factory controls, including steering wheel buttons, touchscreen functions, and voice commands, creating a factory-like experience with significantly enhanced capabilities. It's an outstanding solution for modernizing compatible vehicles with minimal effort. And our last choice is Trolling Tech Wireless CarPlay AI Box. The Trolling Tech CarPlay AI Box is an excellent upgrade for vehicles equipped with factory-wired CarPlay, bringing modern wireless convenience and expanded multimedia features to your existing infotainment system. Installation is quick and truly plug-and-play, requiring only a few minutes to get started. Once connected, it enables reliable wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, eliminating cable clutter while supporting hands-free calls, navigation, messaging, and music streaming. Powered by Android 13 with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, the AI box delivers responsive performance for multitasking, app usage, and smooth operation. Built-in access to popular video apps, support for downloadable applications, and 4K video playback transform your dashboard into a capable entertainment hub when parked. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable, high-speed connectivity for streaming and online navigation, while split-screen functionality improves productivity by displaying multiple apps simultaneously. Automatic software updates keep the system secure and current. Designed for most 2018-plus vehicles with OEM wired CarPlay or Android Auto, the Trolling Tech AI Box offers an impressive combination of convenience, performance, and entertainment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.